tastes so damn good.
I am going to take you on a plant-based journey for 14 days. All meals in this challenge are organised for you. I've created a full shopping list just for you. And I'm going to teach you how to cook every single dish. Bringing simple, affordable and delicious meals into your kitchen. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Building your future inner health contract with plants. A love affair to your body, celebrating your body temple and allowing a natural detox. I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to your 14-day plant-based challenge.